Ananya Banerjee. Today I have got for you something very healthy. But healthy is not boring, healthy is yummy. In our fast-paced life, we are always looking at health alternatives. Jowar is an Indian grain which can be compared with the quinoa. It is like quinoa of India. It is full of fiber, protein and goodness. It's gluten-free and we don't use it as much. I thought of substituting jowar and make a pulao which we normally make with polished white rice, Jowar Pulao. So let the pan heat up. Add some ghee, pure cow ghee. The new trend is people are asked to consume ghee in their diet every day. Then bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. I call it the trinity of all Indian food. Let the aromatics give out the aroma. The whole cumin seeds.
Sliced onion, little garlic minced, and grated ginger. Here comes some vegetables, some cauliflower, red carrots, green peas and beans. This is like a lovely medley of your pulao. After sautéing the vegetable for about 2 to 3 minutes
and cook for 1 or 2 minutes.
Let's see the vegetables. I will now add some soaked and boiled jowar in the pan. I'll add some milk. Here you can substitute milk with water, that's also fine.
Apart from adding taste, it will also cook the vegetable tender. So at this stage, I'll add salt to taste. Mix it well again. Cover and cook till the pulao is absolutely done, vegetables are tender and ready to serve. So the Jowar Pulao looks done. I am going to make a final flourish. I am going to do a tadka on top and pour the tadka on this pulao.
For tadka, heat the pan, some more ghee, sauté some dry fruits, cashew and raisins, some green chilies if you really want the heat, otherwise use it like this. And now I'm going to pour this tadka on my jowar pulao and it will be completely awesome. Sprinkle some garam masala powder that will add to the aroma and garnish with some coriander leaves. Doesn't it look good?
So for you my friends, Jowar Pulao is a very healthy version of a normal pulao. So go ahead and try it. If you like this video, do hit the subscribe button and like, comment, share